spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is once again brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. With over 10,000 different items in stock, Diecast Models Wholesale has the die-cast or plastic kit, car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Check out this 1/50th scale Caterpillar CT660 day cab with XL120 lowboy trailer. Or, for sci-fi fans, how about this 1/1400th scale plastic model kit of the USS Enterprise C by AMT? Or check their webpage for thousands of other products today. New on Amazon is the Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad, part of the Railroad Adventures Amtrak and Historic and Scenic Railroads and Hotels series, the Kindle edition by Julie McDonald. The Durango and Silverton Narrow Gauge Railroad is considered by many to be the #1 historic and scenic railroad in the continental United States and in the top 10 in the world. The train follows the Animas River through the spectacular scenery of the San Juan Mountains in southwestern Colorado. This short ebook, about a 20 to 30 minute read, is currently free with a membership in Kindle Unlimited. See the link in the video description for details. Now available in Kindle and paperback editions is The Soo Line's Famous Trains to Canada by Terry Gaynor. Over the years, the Soo Line introduced thousands of Americans to Montreal and Quebec City, the famous Canadian Rockies resorts, and the city of Vancouver, the home port for CP's Pacific steamship services. The Soo also successfully competed on the Spokane and Portland routes from Minneapolis to the Pacific Northwest. In 1923, the Soo Mountaineer was launched, becoming the most famous and longest two-nation train journey in North America. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. Also new in Kindle and paperback editions is Coaster 2103, The Quest to Save a Locomotive by Stephen Hager. In the rail preservation world, you may only have one chance to save a historic locomotive from being scrapped and lost to history. This is the story of how the Pacific Southwest Railway Museum Association saved not one, but two coaster locomotives from the scrapper storage. Learn about the challenges facing an all-volunteer, non-profit organization as it acquired and moved a 141-ton locomotive by rail and truck to its new home in Campo, California. Despite missteps and setbacks along the way, the museum ultimately triumphed in bringing Coaster 2103 to Campo in 2022. It's an amazing story you won't want to miss. The book is currently free on Kindle with a Kindle Unlimited membership. See the link in the video description for more details. Lionel Trains will be producing exclusive Halloween and Christmas editions of their legacy A5040 steamer for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The locomotives feature special holiday-themed sounds and are expected to arrive in mid-2024. The early order price is $659.99 if paid in full. Menards has released a new 2-bay center flow covered hopper decorated in distinctive Canadian national rainbow colors. The cars are individually numbered and come with newly designed die-cast trucks with a swinging drawbar. The cars are available now in stores or online for $34.99 each or $114.99 for a 4-pack before rebates. Menards has also released a new line of 1/48 scale 1956 die-cast trucks, including a fuel truck, dump truck, fire truck, and tow truck in a variety of colors for $5.99 each, or in a special 12-pack for $59.90 before rebates. The vehicles are available online or in stores now. Now in stock at MTH authorized retailer Berwyn's Toys and Trains of Berwyn, Illinois, is this exclusive Premier O-Scale Chicago and Northwestern RS-11 diesel locomotive. The locomotive is now available on a first-come, first-served basis for $529.99 plus freight. Also in stock at Berwyn's Toys and Trains is this MTH exclusive Premier O-Scale SD24 diesel locomotive in Santa Fe zebra stripe colors. The locomotive is available in 2 cab numbers in very limited quantities for $529.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Scale Premier Gondola car with LCL containers in Erie, Pennsylvania, Southern Pacific, Norfolk and Western, and Santa Fe colors next spring. Each of these offerings will be available in 2 car numbers in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in June 2024. The cars will retail for $74.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge mode-on 4-bay cylindrical hopper car in a distinctive map scheme for exclusive distribution by Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in February 2024 for $62.95 each, plus freight. And MTH Electric Trains has also announced a Rail King O-Gauge 4-bay cylindrical hopper car in Cheerwine map colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The cars will be produced in 2 car numbers in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in February 2024. The pre-order price is $69.95. And MTH has also announced the exclusive Premier O-Scale 3-bay cylindrical hopper car in unique Santa Fe black bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The cars will be available in 2 individual car numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of March 2024. The early order price is $69.99 plus freight. MTH Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale New York Central Empire State Express 464 Hudson in a special pacemaker scheme for Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2024. The early order price is $14.99. And last but not least, it's that time of year again, so don't forget these great Christmas trains for your Christmas village or under the tree. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from the links on this channel, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.